This exercise is a pullover with a crunch. It's best performed with a flat resistance band that is wrapped around a secure anchor point that is low to the floor. You'll start the exercise lying face up with your legs bent, feet flat on the floor. You will extend your arms behind your head and your arms will be straight. There should be some tension in the resistance band at this starting position. Firstly, we'll pull the resistance band over your body until it's above your chest, and then you'll perform a crunch. And then you'll lower the crunch down as you release your arms back behind your head, straightening your arms above you, and then repeat. Extend your arms over and crunch and release. If you want to make the exercise a little bit harder, don't allow your body to go all the way down. Stop just before your shoulders touch the floor and repeat. So there we have a combination pullover with crunch.